Let's look at the camera section of Lucero. If you press plus, it's going to create a camera aligned to your view. If you press Ctrl, it's going to create it at the cursor position. If you press Shift, it's going to align it to the view and put you in camera mode. From here we can rename our camera, and you will have the name of the camera here. In here we can lock the camera to our view and then position it. With the sync mode enabled, if we are in camera view, we can add a new camera, and you are going to start modifying that new camera. So now if I click on the list, the different cameras, it will switch to the selected camera, and it will also set the active camera on the scene to that camera. And we can do this for as many cameras as we want. Let me go away from the view mode by pressing here. And in here we also have a control to select the camera or to enable or disable the camera. Let's go back here and let's look at the different settings. To start with, we can choose the type of camera that we want to use, photographic maybe, or perspective, as well as the lens. We also have a control for the transparency of what is outside the camera. And we also have settings for the clip start and end. If you want some composition guides, you can enable them from here. Finally, we also have some settings for the depth of field. We can either choose a distance, or we can select an object from the scene, or if we position our 3D cursor, we can click here and this will automatically create an empty for the camera to focus on. And we can of course quickly do the same for the other cameras. And just like that, we can set up the different shots for your scene.